Hello everyone, Shawn's the name, YouTube's the game. Let's talk about something that is ridiculously important, probably the most important component to having a successful YouTube channel these days. We're talking about a channel strategy. Okay, so first of all, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Shawn. Hey, hi, how's it going? And I've been on YouTube for like ever now, and I want to tell you a little bit about my personal success story, along with how maybe you can replicate that on YouTube. And if you're new around here, consider smashing that subscribe button. Also, check in the link in the description to my masterclass. I've helped thousands of people grow some serious YouTube channels to turn them into some careers. So if you're interested in that, check the description. But okay, let's talk about a channel strategy. I'm going to tell you what the 4 major components to a successful channel strategy is. But first of all, a little bit about my story. So I started YouTube way back in the day, and using these same 4 components back in the day, I was able to generate hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of video views. So I promise you it works, and it can work for you too. But okay, I started like way back in 2008 or 2009, really long time ago, I know. And, I started just uploading videos to YouTube just like everyone else does, just when they start out, throwing videos up of whatever they think's cool and fun and just whatever, just throwing it out there and seeing what happens. And that's pretty much what I did. I just uploaded videos, had no idea what was going on, and my channel really didn't get anywhere because it shouldn't have gotten anywhere. I was blindly uploading videos in hopes that people would watch them, when in reality, no one would watch them. And at first, I was a little bit bummed. I was putting in a lot of time and effort into these videos, not really knowing how to make videos, and was just like, why isn't anyone watching them? I'm putting them up online and no one's watching them. And then, about a year in, maybe 2 years, I actually brainstormed and thought, wow, why is no one watching this? Maybe I need to develop a strategy like what you have to do with everything else in life. You don't just sit down and do something and become successful. You got to strategize. You don't just show up to a football game and expect to win the game, or any other type of sport. You got to strategize to win. And that's exactly what I did. I literally came up with a strategy. I remember writing it down. And that same strategy I used way back in the day still works to this day. And it's simple and it's easy. The only thing I'm going to caution you about it is it requires some time and dedication. That's literally it. If you put the time and dedication into your strategy, I guarantee you're going to be successful. Plus, your strategy's got to be good. So what makes a good strategy? Okay, 4 main components to creating a ballin' YouTube strategy. And I think it's important to mention that you need to have all 4 of these. You can't just have 1, you can't just have 2 of them, you can't even just have 3 of them. You need all 4 for it to be a fully successful channel strategy. Okay, so first one, what's component number 1? Component number 1 is you need to have a central focus. What do I mean by that? Well, a central focus is you can't expect to upload a cooking video and then a gaming video and expect a viewer to like both of those. You have to find a central focus in your channel. Whether it be gaming or unboxing or beauty or comedy, whatever it is, you need to have a central focus that you can start building your network of viewers around that topic. So for example, the theme on this specific channel of mine that you're watching this video on is entrepreneurship, really. I mean, I've got YouTube success tips on it. I've got anything regarding finance or building wealth or stuff like that. Really anything entrepreneurship based or educational learning is on this channel. You're never gonna see me upload a cooking video on this channel or a beauty video on this channel. This is an entrepreneurship channel, and that's the kind of focus I'm trying to build up. You need to find the central focus that resonates with you the best, and you need to dominate it. Pretty much how Jacksepticeye or Markiplier like dominate the gaming industry, or how Unbox Therapy dominates the unboxing section on YouTube. Find your specific niche and own it. Now to move on to component number 2. Remember, you need to have all 4 of these. So number 1 is only as good as number 2, and as good as number 3, and as good as number 4. So number 2 is you need to be able to replicate your content. What do I mean by that? Well, if you chose a topic or a central focus that is very specific and you can't create more than 100 videos on it, you can't really replicate it. For example, if you choose to make a specific YouTube channel towards old board games, which is actually like a relatively cool topic, I don't see too much of that. If you picked a board game type channel, you would need to have like 150 board games ready to go to make videos on. You can't just be like, oh, I've got 10 board games, I'll make a channel on board games, because you're going to run out of content in like a month. And once you run out of content, you're pretty much dead in the water on YouTube. Now, I want to give a little bit of caution, which kind of snowballs us into component number 3, but I am saying that you want to be relatively specific and you want to pick a good niche, right? But you don't want to be too specific. Now, another thing is you don't want to be too broad, which brings us into our component number 3. I want you to be unique on YouTube. If you are not unique and you're just there, hey, I'm going to start a vlogging channel and I'm this very broad topic of vlogging and I'm going to do a daily vlog, and today I'm going to the grocery store, and tomorrow I'm going to school, or I'm doing something really basic. I'm sorry, but no one is really going to be watching you unless you be unique and you be very different than the other videos on YouTube. There are millions and millions and millions of videos on YouTube. I mean, the stats are insane, how much content is uploaded to YouTube every single day. And if your content isn't unique and isn't special and isn't relatively entertaining, no one's gonna watch it. There are so many videos for viewers to actually be spending their time in watching these days that you've gotta be unique. You've gotta show them that you're worth their time. And I don't wanna put you off from vlogging. Vlogging is totally cool, just you need to be 1,000,000% unique with it. If you wanna vlog, totally cool. Go do something really fun like hiking in really cool areas or jumping off cool cliffs or some really awesome stuff in your life. If you want to vlog, please do it. Just please be very unique with it. Show these viewers that you are worth their time. Just be unique. Very, very, very important on YouTube these days. Maybe back in the day you didn't have to be that unique because there really wasn't that much content. Nowadays, there's way too much content. You got to be unique. Okay, number 4. Component number 4, which everyone overlooks, and it breaks my heart that everyone overlooks this. But component number 4 is you just need to have fun with it. If you are not having fun with the content you are creating, you might as well just not even do YouTube. If you're not having fun with the content you are making, your viewers will know that and they won't have fun watching you do that content. Plus, what kind of life is waking up going, oh, I gotta make this video today to put up on my channel? Because I'll tell you something, I've been there. You get to the point where you don't want to make the content anymore. And if you're not getting views or subscribers or making any money or doing any of these things you wanted to do, you're not going to do your content anymore. If your sole motivation is getting views, getting subscribers, making money, doing those sorts of things, and fun is way on the totem pole, I'm sorry, but you are not going to last long on YouTube. The second those views, subscribers, money, all that dries up, so does your motivation, and you're done. So please, 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 please do me a favor, and if you're going to be on YouTube and want to succeed on YouTube, please have fun with the content you create. Not only does it make your life so much more fun, but your viewers love it, and you grow a lot quicker when you have some fun, I promise you, okay? But those are the 4 main components of a successful YouTube channel strategy, okay? You need to pick a central focus, you need to be able to replicate it, you have to be unique, and you need to be having some fun with it. And I just want to say, this is a very broad overview. We just barely scratched this topic of a channel strategy. Again, if you're serious about creating a YouTube career and really finding some serious success on YouTube, check the description, okay? I promise you, we dive into so much more depth in my masterclass, and you're gonna freaking love it. But again, those are the 4 main YouTube success channel strategies that'll get you going on YouTube. I use those same 4 components when I first started out on YouTube. I've used those same 4 components for thousands and thousands of other YouTube channels to make them very successful. So those will get you extremely far in here. I cannot stress that enough. But at the end of the day, I really just wanted you to learn something new and maybe get a little bit of motivation to build your channel up on here. I know it can be a little tough at times, so hopefully this does help you out. Also, comment down below what your specific channel central focus strategy is, and I'd love to check it out. Also, check out some of the other comments down there and go check out some of those channels and kind of help each other build together. If you see maybe a central focus you're interested in, maybe check it out. YouTube is all about growing together. That's how it works. So if you did enjoy this, please smash that like button, subscribe. If you actually can share the video, that'd be sweet as well. But that is it. That is where I'm going to call the video. Again, Shawn's the name, YouTube's the game. I wish you all the best of luck on here.